guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is very exciting, at least for me. I saw that they came out with an e.l.f. Mint Melts collection, and I was really excited because I love the color mint, and I just thought it was a fun idea. So I decided to order a couple of things. The thing is, I didn't order the whole collection because I was looking at everything, and I'm like, I'm not going to use all of this stuff. And I did watch a couple reviews on some of the products, and I just didn't think that I would get much use out of them. But I also ordered a couple of other things that I will mention and use in the video and give you guys my review on it, and they are lip products. I have 2 lip products, and then the other 2 are from the Mint Melt collection. And I'm just really excited to use it. I just love the color mint, and I think it's just fun. And I will show you guys those things in a little, but also remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel and just hit that notification bell just to see when I upload. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well to stay updated, because I post my videos on there as well and when they are uploaded. And thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me. It means the world to me, and I appreciate it a lot. And that you're even watching my video, because I put a lot of effort into my YouTube videos, and I'm glad people are actually watching them out there. I love e.l.f. e.l.f. is my favorite brand. They have everything, and everything is amazing that they have. The only thing that I don't love from them is mascara. I think their mascaras aren't really the best, but everything else they have, they're amazing. And you guys know that I'm obsessed with e.l.f. because I've mentioned it a million times. So I have the Mint Melt Eyeshadow and Chocolate Mint, and this is another one of the bite-sized palettes. All right, so this is what it looks like. The mint one all the way over here is what I'm most excited about, and I think it's just fun to create a look with these. I like that they have a shimmer color for the lid as well, and I can use this. I got the brush set, and I'm really excited about this as well. It's the e.l.f. Mint Melt brush set. So it comes with the all-over eyeshadow brush, the eye contour brush, and the blending brush. And I just think they're so cute to have in your brush collection. They are smaller than an average brush, so they are a little bit on the smaller side, which I wish they were full-size brushes, but that will not bother me. I just think these are the cutest things ever. So I'm hoping that they're the quality of all of their other eyeshadow brushes, because I use, actually right now I'm using one of their contour brushes for my everyday brushes. So that's what they look like. This is my normal size brush, and they are definitely not the same size. So they're just mini, but I think they're perfect for travel. They do have a softness to them, but they're just a little bit stiffer than their normal brushes, but that's fine. We'll see how they work. And I also have the e.l.f. 5 milligram CBD Lip Oil, and I'm just so excited to use this. I saw Juicy Jazz try this out, and she said it was amazing. I've been wanting to order it for a while. So that's the packaging. I just think the packaging of this is so cute. I don't know, I just love it. I think it's simple with the black and white. So I've tried this before and I really liked it, but I want to use it again on video, and I'm actually going to put this on right now. But first, I also have one more. It's a Hydrating Core Lip Shine, and it's in the color Lovely. So I ordered this as well. So it has a little heart in the middle that's supposed to be like the moisturizing center. I think that's what it says. So I'm excited to try that. It's just a lip balm, like a lip shine, hydrating core lip shine. So we'll see how that works. I'm gonna apply that at the end. But like I said, right now I'm gonna start off by applying this because my lips do feel dry. This is so hydrating, let me tell you. And it lasts on my lips for so long. And the smell of it, I can't put my finger on the smell and taste. Like, I mean, obviously you're not supposed to really taste it, but it gets in your mouth. So the smell of it, I can't think, it's a little bit of a mintiness, but it has something else, and I can't think what it reminds me of, but it smells so good, and it's not overwhelming or anything, but it just moisturizes your lips, and it actually stays on for a really long time, which I love. I don't like when it just soaks in or it just goes away, like, you know what I mean? Who wants that? But I think it's because it's a lip oil, so it stays on your lips a little longer, and they just feel so moisturized. I wear it to bed a lot, and I'm just like obsessed with this. I'm thinking about ordering another one so that I have a backup for when this one goes, because it just feels so nice on my lips, and I'm happy that I got it. Before I do my eyeshadow, I do this because I notice if I don't do this, then the eyeshadows don't blend right on my lids. So I'm going to take, you guys have seen this before, the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contouring Palette Contour, and I'm going to take the shade over here, and it is like a banana shade. As you can see, I hit pan because I use this a lot for the bronzer, and I use that on my lid before I apply the eyeshadows. I just use my finger and I'm just going to set everywhere just so that I have a base so that it's all one consistency. And I do the same on the other eye, and I kind of bring it into the inner corner so I don't have trouble blending right there as well. So I just make sure to set that. Obviously I have my foundation done, powder, bronzer, blush, eyebrows, you know, I have all that done. I'm trying to think what I want to go in with first in this palette. But I'm going to go in with this crease shade right here. I'm going to go in with the bigger crease brush because I don't want this to be as concentrated. I want this darker color to be. So we're going to go in. I've used their bite-sized eyeshadow palettes before, and I used this in the fall to create a look. I can put that right up in the cards right here so that you guys can watch that. But I've used this before and I love it, and I think it's just amazing. These have the greatest quality for an inexpensive price. So yeah, I'm going to go in with quite a bit. It doesn't seem like it's picking up a whole lot. So we're just going to... Actually, that's pretty pigmented, so it's actually perfect. It's perfect for the crease. I think that's a perfect crease color, so you can see the difference. I love that. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just going it back in with this color. I think it has the perfect amount of pigment to it. So you can build it up, you can have something more natural, or you can keep building it. And I'm going under my eye with this. I think that's really pretty. I love that shade. That's a really nice shade. I hate that these brushes are white. I mean, they look aesthetically pleasing, but they look so dirty all the time. So I don't know if I like that they're white, but I think they are really cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with the all over eyeshadow brush. And I'm trying to think what color I wanna go into, because I do wanna put the mint on my lid as well, but I'm gonna try to go in to this shimmer shade right here, like a champagne color, and I'm thinking I'm gonna need to spray my brush. Yeah, I'm gonna need to spray my brush, so I'm gonna go in, and then I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna spray my brush with the e.l.f. Soothing Facial Oil Mist. So we're just gonna spray our brush. Oh yeah, that definitely intensified it. You definitely need to spray for the shimmers. I think that's with a lot of the case with, you know, a lot of shimmers that I have. I'm gonna pick some of the mint up now and spray my brush. I'm trying to think. I think I just wanna try the mint. That mint is so pretty. And I'm just gonna go over that color actually. The mint shows up way more. So I'm just gonna go all over my lid with that mint color. And then I'm gonna go back in to the mint. I'm picking up quite a bit. And go in. The mint is really pigmented. I think this is a fun look for spring as well, and this is making me get in the mood for spring. So it doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm gonna go back in with that blending color, but I'm just gonna make sure I have it all spread evenly on the lid. Such a pretty color. I really love that. So I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush, and I'm not gonna add any more of this color. I'm just gonna blend so that it looks like both of the colors kind of just blend together. I want to deepen up my outer corner now. I'm gonna go in with a little brush, and I'm going to take this deep shade over here. So I'm not sure how this will look, but we'll see. The shade looks pretty dark. And we're just gonna go along the outer lash line. So this would actually be pretty as a like liner color. I think I just want to do the outer edge. That's really pretty. I really like this color actually. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the darkness, but I really do like it. And then I'm gonna bring it underneath my lid. I may go in with a little bit more. And just focusing on the outer corner and just kind of blending it into the mint shade. I did want to go into this in my inner corner, so I'm just gonna dot in there. Perfect. And just place that in my inner corner. You can actually use this as a highlight shade. I'm gonna go under the brow bone. Like, that's really intense just with my finger. I think that looks really pretty. Like I said, you can use this as a highlight. Sometimes I do that with my shimmer shades. So I'm just gonna go back in and blend this color out again. Now today I'm going to try to apply lashes again. If you guys saw my last video, I failed. I mean, I got them on in the end, but I ended up messing them up a lot. But I did pick up a different set of eyelashes, and they are the Dell Demi Wispies. And I actually found these at TJ Maxx for $7.99. So I was like, I have to pick these up. I've heard a lot of good things about these, that they're, you know, more on the natural side. Like the other ones were just long all the way around. These ones are longer on the ends and, you know, tapers in. So I think that might look a little bit better for me. So that is what they look like. I know this is a simple eye look, but I really like the mint. It's just like a subtle pop of mint. I don't like anything crazy. I just think it looks really nice. So I'm actually really happy with that and the way that it came out. Again, like I did in my last video, I'm gonna take the Essence Lash Princess mascara and I'm just going to place that on my eyelashes. And I'm probably not gonna show myself apply the eyelashes because it will probably take me a while, honestly, and I don't want to make this video so long, and I do have a video on me trying to apply it, and I did struggle a lot, so of course I got it on me, so I'll just wait for that to dry, and then it'll flake right off with a Q-tip, or even if you use a brush, it comes right off. So I'll just wait for that to dry. I'm gonna go do my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I finally got my eyelashes on. I don't think they look horrible, but they're not great. I need 100% more practice, but I actually like these ones better than the last one, so I will definitely go with the Wispies, the Ardell Wispies. I noticed the mint, I wanted it to show up a little bit more, so what I did was I went back in with the mint with my finger, and it actually gave it more pigment, so I did that, and then I went in with a little more of the crease color, but the mint showed up more with my finger, more than like when I sprayed it too. You can see it a little bit more. I think it looks really pretty. It's not anything like crazy, but I think it's fun to play with, especially for the springtime. I think it's just a fun look. So I would highly recommend this palette to anyone that wants to try it. Definitely try this. I heard good things about the other one as well, but I just saw myself using the colors in this more rather than the other one. And these brushes, I think they're nice. I mean, if you have stuff that's like it, I wouldn't really recommend buying them. They don't do anything special. So, I mean, they work. They distributed the color really nice, but if you like the color mint, then I would recommend them. Like, they don't do anything special, like I said, but I think they're cute and they're good for travel if you just want to throw a couple brushes in your bag and they don't take up a lot of space. This is my favorite thing, the e.l.f. CBD oil, 5 milligrams. I would highly, highly recommend this. This stuff is amazing. As you can see, my lips are still really moisturized. I will wear it all the time, so I'm really happy that I picked this up, and I will probably pick up another one, like I said. So the last thing to try out is this Hydrating Core Lip Shine. I'm assuming it's just gonna be a lip balm and give my lips a little bit of color. So I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day, actually, but I wanna go ahead and apply it. It is really hydrating. It has a weird smell to it. I don't know what it smells like, but you really have to put it close to your nose to smell it. And I can smell it a little bit on my lips, but this is really hydrating. I really like this, and the color is really pretty. It just gives you that little color. It's obviously not gonna be red because it's just a lip balm. It's obviously not gonna be as red as it is in the tube, but I think that looks really pretty, and it's really, really hydrating on top of that lip oil. So my lips feel really hydrated, and I really like it, actually. I wasn't sure about this. I wanted to try their hydrating lip shine, so I figured I'd pick one up. But yeah, I really do like this, so I recommend it, and I love this color. I feel like it just gives you the right amount of color to your lips. But obviously you can't really wear this with a mask because it's gonna come off on your mask. But if you're doing something where you don't need a mask, like at home, and you wanna wear it around, I think this look is perfect for spring, and I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you were thinking of purchasing some of the stuff from the Mint Melt collection, I hope this helped. I obviously, like I said, I didn't purchase everything because I know I wouldn't use it. The mask, which I think is nice, but I have a bunch of masks and face masks, so that did look really nice, and I saw a lot of good reviews on that mint mask. It looked really pretty. The other eyeshadow palette, the colors in it, I probably wouldn't use, so that's why I went with this one, and the quality is actually really nice in this. Obviously, you have to build it up. It's not going to be like, the pigment isn't going to be crazy when you first apply it, but that's what I love about it, that you can just build it up and have something natural, or just build it up to something more nighttime appropriate. So I would highly recommend all of those actually if you're looking to buy them. And I hope this video helped if you were planning on purchasing some of it. I had fun filming this video, and you guys know I love e.l.f. and I was excited to purchase this stuff. I've been waiting for it to come in, so I'm just happy that I finally got to film it. Also, remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel or consider subscribing, and just hit that notification bell to see when I upload. And go follow me on Instagram. That's where I post when I post videos on here, so I can keep you updated over there. And I really appreciate the follow. I appreciate all those subscribers. Thank you if you have subscribed to me, or you have watched my videos or commented or supported me in some way. It means so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.